Hey y'all, hey. So you know it's pop-up shop season. So let's get into another tip. Tip number 2. Another place to look for pop-up shops is Eventbrite. You can go on Eventbrite. We'll actually do a Google search for Eventbrite. And when you go on Eventbrite, you can actually see a whole list of pop-up shops. I think there's a calendar you actually can use to see what events are upcoming and also what events there will be the next month. So I wanted to do a quick demo. I logged into Google. I'm clicking on Eventbrite. Now in the search field, you can actually put in your location or the location of a pop-up shop that you're interested in. I just put in Atlanta and it's pulling the information up. So these are some of the pop-up shops that came up. It was quite a few, but I didn't want to go through all of them. If you click on date and scroll down, you'll be able to go to next month. And I'm clicking on next month. And we got to get rid of this. Click on view event results. And now you'll be able to see the pop-ups that's for next month. But that's another good resource. So just want to drop by and tell y'all real quick. Stay tuned, like, and follow me for more tips.